Okay, watercolors. We are loading watercolors.
Ma'am, can I erase with charcoal eraser?
Yes, you can. Yes, somebody said.
Ma'am, what watercolors are we using?
I'm using plain water cake. This is.
Okay.
I have this one. I'm going to load. This is a background color we are loading. Afterwards, with pencil, we'll make it the detailing. 1 second. Give me 1 minute.
Ma'am, these watercolor cakes. Ma'am, are you going to load these watercolor cakes?
Okay.
Ma'am, are we going to do these watercolor cakes?
Yes, we are loading the background color right now. Afterwards, we will do the detailing with the help of pencil colors. Right now, just load the colors. Now, while loading the colors, you are going to maintain the direction. What is the direction I will show? Now this is, we'll first load the color on the wooden plier. So wooden plier, you're just going to load the color in sleeping direction. That is this way. The direction should not change. It is this way when you are applying any color on here. So I can see that is yellow here, little bit of orange and other shades, pink, blue, anything. I'm just going to load it with the help of my pencil colors, or just a little bit I can give a touch, but all the purple color and all that I'll go with the pencil color. So right now I have deep yellow, lemon yellow or light yellow is not there. It is greenish in color. It is all mixed. So with the help of deep yellow, as I said, I'm just loading as a base so that I use my pencil colors to load. So to start with, yeah, I can see in the center. See, I'm loading my yellow color in a sleeping direction.
Ma'am,
Huh?
Ma'am, I don't have medium yellow in paint.
You can load any yellow and then afterwards you can load it with the pencil. Take a light orange and all that. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I only have these cake colors, so can I use them?
Yes, use that. Whichever cake colors you have, use that. No problem. Yeah.
Ma'am, what color must we use if it's not there? Can you please repeat?
Take your any yellow color which you have, load that in the center. Okay?
Any yellow, light or dark?
Whatever a yellow, right now take as a base. Afterwards we'll create it. Load it very watery. Don't go with a lot of color in it. Just a watery shade. Okay? Now with the orange, I'm just loading orange. I can see orange.
Ma'am,
Yes.
are we allowed to do acrylic colors?
No, acrylic colors, otherwise then you go with a soft pastel. Acrylic colors, how detailing, how you're going to load it watery. Acrylic colors will be thick.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have poster color, you can just load the poster colors with water. So little bit of red I have added. I'm just mixing the colors. I can see your red shade.
Which 3 shades are we using?
I have loaded yellow, orange, then little bit of
Ma'am, is it
scarlet
deep
color
yellow?
it is. Whichever yellow. See, my lemon yellow is completely dirty. So I've used deep yellow, but it's only watery. It is giving a shade of lemon yellow. Just a watery shade.
Basically, we have to use lemon yellow.
Yeah. So
And lemon
loading
yellow, orange, and red.
Yes, orange. In between, I can see the scarlet. So in between the scarlet,
Ma'am, I don't have scarlet, so can I just use
red and orange, you can load it. No problem. Yeah.
Can you tell the colors again?
Yellow, orange, red.
Yellow in the
Yes. Is center I have loaded. Yellow. Here.
Ma'am, can you tell?
Here is the orange. Huh? I didn't get you.
Ma'am, can you tell where are the colors loaded here?
Yellow is here in the center. This side is orange. This side is
Ma'am?
orange. And red is there. Here. Little bit of blue also I am loading.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to merge the colors.
Just load it. This is the base we are loading. Then afterwards with the pencil we are going to have the effect.
Okay.
Load it in a sleeping direction. As near me, I'm just going to load little bit dark. So I've loaded orange. In that, I'll add little bit of red.
Ma'am, where have we loaded orange?
Here. This is orange. Here and here. Both the sides.
Ma'am, light orange or dark?
Watery orange. I've loaded this one. This orange I have. The first one. Second is the scarlet. Third is something.
I don't have scarlet.
Okay, no problem. Just load little bit of red in it.
Okay, ma'am.
फोन कहाँ है?
पता नहीं याद रहेगा. वो ऑरेंज चाहिए था तो मैं निकाल लो.
तो पंडित जी की कलर का हमने चूल्हा.
If you have loaded lot of colors, you can lift it with a dry brush. Huh? Just lift water. If it is lot of watery, you can lift it with the help of your dry brush. Done?
Ma'am, on the top of orange means I have by mistakenly done the orange in the whole part. So can I just do blue on means above the orange color?
Don't load lot of blue like me. Huh?
Okay.
Just load little bit or don't load it. I'm going to use the pencil color once again.
Ma'am, you're loading blue on top of orange, right?
Yeah, this is on this side. Both the side I can see the blue shade. But I'm just loaded the watery this. I'm going to use the pencil color to merge all these colors.
Ma'am, should I use like indigo or just light blue?
I have used the blue color. Plain blue color. No light.
Light or dark?
Dark.
Dark.
Yeah.
Ma'am, which color do you use? Because I have started just now because I am
Yellow, orange, and scarlet. Don't load any blue. Blue you can do it with the help of your pencil. Don't load blue. Leave it like that only.
Ma'am, can you tell me the places where to did the colors?
Yellow in the center, orange on the sides, little bit of red here in between, and little bit of blue. Blue you don't load if you want. Just load these three colors.
Ma'am, can we load blue also if we want?
Yes, you can. But very
Ma'am,
less.
can we load dark blue?
Is it fine?
Ma'am, which shade of blue?
I've loaded the green. It's a ultramarine.
Ma'am, is it
Yes.
fine?
Yes, it is fine. The center should be light, yellow, but you can do it with the pencil color.
Ma'am, which blue should I use?
I've used ultramarine blue, this one.
Ma'am, even
This
this
is cobalt blue, second one is ultramarine blue.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes.
Ma'am, but I would dark orange.
You
Ma'am,
have
I
a dark
will use
orange
blue.
loaded with a
Ma'am, can you
watery
see?
one. Yes. Yeah, you can use that blue.
Ma'am,
Rishan,
can
you
you
can
see?
use that blue. Yes. It is okay. Iraira, it should be mixed. Can you see my all? It is all mess. All the colors should be mixed with each other. It's not a
Okay.
road center yellow and orange. Just mix it.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. Due to some technical issues,
Yes.
I have just joined. What colors have we taken?
Yellow in the center. Then from side, I've loaded both the side orange. Little bit of red in between or scarlet and little bit of blue. So blue, it's not properly loaded. So don't load blue. Just do yellow, orange on both the side, little bit of red and leave it like that. Okay? Yeah. Jivash, have you shared the sketch?
Ma'am, is this fine? Can you just see?
Yes,
Ma'am.
1 second. Just hold on. I'll just see.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, which color you have loaded after orange? The down part at the
This
corner.
one, this is I have scarlet color, but if you don't have scarlet on top of orange, just load little bit of red. It will give that shape. Okay.
Ma'am,
And
beside.
this is blue. This is blue. Both side. I've loaded.
Ma'am.
Blue. This one blue. Second, ultramarine blue. Yes.
Ma'am, I haven't loaded blue. Is this fine?
Yes, it is fine.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
have you done green on the yellow?
No.
No green? Okay.
No, nothing. That will do with the pencil. Okay, done. Load very light watery color. It's not dark. If you can see, it's a watery color. Don't load any dark. I can see the white paper below the color also. Don't try to load. That's why I said water cakes are required. If you are loading this acrylic colors, you will not be able to give the detailing with the pencil. Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, if I don't have ultramarine blue, can I use cobalt blue?
Little bit, yes. Little bit you
ma'am.
can use. Okay.
could you please see what I need to add, like what paint colors?
Nothing. Right now, don't load anything. Leave it like that only.
So it is just fine.
Yes, it is fine. Okay. Everyone, now for the top part of the log, I can see the orange yellow shade. So I'm just loading deep yellow on wherever I've made.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm
Yes.
not having deep yellow. I'm having amber hue and lemon yellow.
I use the other one. Yellow hue is there, na? That you use.
Ma'am, is it fine if I just use yellow?
Yes, it is fine. On top of in this with pencil brown and orange pencil will do. I'll show the detailing. That time you can make the changes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Just load a base. Yeah.
Ma'am, this what you're doing right now, does this also have to be watery?
Everything is watery. Whatever we are loading is only a background for us, that if we try to make this artwork with a pencil, it will give a very
Ma'am.
realistic picture, but that way is not possible. It will take us 1 month to complete a whole artwork slowly. So as this watery, whatever we are giving is a background for it, and then with the pencil color we are going to lift our whole artwork.
Ma'am,
Clear?
can you see?
Yes, it is okay, Raira. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, which color have you loaded up of the center of the yellow?
Orange. It's orange.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am, do you have
Yes.
to load it everywhere on the bridge? Orange.
Center yellow, orange sidewise, this way. And here I can see the dark shade. So here I have load little bit of red and orange and little bit
Ma'am, I
of
also
blue.
have to put orange where you put blue.
Yes, orange is there. On top of orange, I put blue, but there I'll just with the pencil I'm going to load red color also, violet color also
Ma'am,
to
you
make them.
have used yellow, orange. Ma'am, you have used peach color also.
No, no peach color. I've not used peach color. I
Can
don't
you
have
tell second time?
what second time?
Ma'am, the colors which have you used?
Yellow, orange, and red.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my watercolor had got spread like this when I did this.
It's okay. Leave it. Don't touch your watercolor. Don't take lot of water.
Excuse
See,
me.
I have added. Listen, I have made this color watery, but when I'm going to load it, I just make my brush very light with only the color. Just touch the brush. If excess water or color is there, take your bowl where it is. Just remove it from the side, and then load the colors.
Ma'am, can you look at this?
Yes. Okay, it is. Now leave it like that only. Just let it dry. I'll show you how to make it. Now, I don't have, listen, I don't have dark brown for the log. First, wait, I will load for 1 or 2 logs. You're going to watch
Ma'am,
it.
may I go to the washroom?
Yes. You're going to watch it and then you're going to load in your artwork. Now there is orange shade I can see in the log, but dark brown is there. I don't have dark brown. I have only 1 minute, Iraira. I'll complete, then I'll see everyone's. I have just, so what I did, black and brown together, and with the help of my brush, you're going to load in logs standing wise. Just standing wise, I'm loading the log. Okay? Standing wise. There is some orange shade in it, light shade. Whatever brush I've used for one single this, I'm going to use for all the logs. If excess color is there, I'm going to lift from here and just load on both the side unevenly, leaving the orange shade is also there. Yes. Now, any question for anybody?
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have a doubt. Ma'am, you have scarlet. You have used scarlet color also.
No, red color. If you
Ma'am,
have,
I have this brown. Will it work?
no, little bit black will be there. You use that and that with the pencil you can load the brown color. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am. What have you loaded for like the yellow circles?
Yellow circles. Yellow only I have loaded. Yellow, plainly yellow. See now, if you have loaded excess water, take your dry brush.
Can I use scarlet?
Yes, you can use color. Krisha, you use basic color. You use pencil color for remaining things. Don't merge. See, I have lifted, I have loaded lot of water here with the help of dry brush. I have removed that. So keep a dry brush beside you with a dirty cloth. So once if excess color you have loaded, just lift it with the dry brush.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask, can I use means burnt umber or burnt cyan?
Burnt cyan and burnt umber is not required. It is black, dark brown I have used. Dark brown is required. If you
So,
don't
ma'am,
have dark brown, use burnt cyan and then with your dark brown pencil you can give the effect.
Ma'am, this one is a dark brown or this one?
I don't have any idea. I can see one on the top. There is a brown, dark brown. You load any brown, then with the pencil you just make the. So just lines I'm making.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I use this one for dark brown?
Yes, you can use that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what will I do if I don't have red?
If you don't have red, where you are with the pencil you are going to load it. Don't load red right now.
What color do you have load in the down part at the end part?
Here, orange and scarlet is there.
Ma'am, how do you have to load like the logs, like the burns? Yeah.
Standing line. Standing. The direction of loading is standing wise. Done?
Ma'am, my cupboard is going very dark.
Load lot of water in it and then load it. Okay?
Ma'am, can you please
Ma'am,
see?
if I'm not having, so should I put first burnt cyan, then I'll means color it with the pencil color, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, what happened, Parth?
Nothing, ma'am. Just 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please see it?
1 second. Just hold on. Yeah, show me. It is okay, Parth. Yes, Iraira, it is
Just
okay.
had a question, ma'am. Like, you know how you have the top yellow? Do we just overlap it with orange?
That will do with the pencil. Right now, keep it like that only. Don't load any excess in it. Because this is not watery, this, na? Yes.
Ma'am,
So-
we have to do the blue also.
No, not the blue. Gia.
Ma'am,
Krishna,
ma'am,
no
look at my
blue.
work.
Yeah, it is okay. No blue, Krishna.
Okay, ma'am. I'm going
Yeah.
to check my work.
Yes, Rushan, it is okay.
Ma'am,
Done? Yes.
ma'am, do I have to load my dark brown pencil color over here?
Yes, afterwards. Pencil colors we are going to load everywhere.
Okay.
We are going to use the detailing. Now, water. So, I am going to load the cobalt blue, but again, it is going to be in the sleeping direction from the wooden log is there. From there, I can see the blue shade up to here. As you come here, it becomes dark. So, first, I'm just going to load sleeping direction. I'm loading the
Ma'am, where should we start loading?
from the bridge is there, na? Where the bridge ends, it's not up to the,
Okay.
yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
I don't have brown. So what should I do?
You don't have brown,
Have you loaded?
huh? It's a cobalt blue. You don't have brown.
Yes, ma'am.
Which color you have then in brown?
I don't have any color in brown. I just have yellow, green, orange, red, purple, blue, pink.
Load, in yellow, do you have yellow ochre?
No, ma'am. I'm just using temporary. Yes.
Show me.
I don't have this. Ma'am,
Show me which colors you're using. Okay. You have none. Next to that brown is there, or above red. That is the brown shade.
where?
Red, where is red? Down line is a red, na?
This is red. This is pink,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, above pink, which color it is? That one. Which is that color? Huh?
Brown.
Yeah, that is brown. That is plain brown, light brown. Just load that. Then you have pencil colors, na?
Yes, ma'am. I have pencil.
So in pencil you have the dark brown pencil. You can load it with that. This is this one, first one. Cobalt blue shade.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
use light blue instead?
Use?
Light blue.
Yeah.
And ma'am, do we have to cover the wooden logs also like that while painting?
I have been done. That is no problem. Just don't load lot of on it. Don't take the color from the wooden log. I'm just instead of giving a very this, I just shift the brush over it. So that's why the color has come on that. The brown color has not come on blue shade.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, which area? Ma'am, ma'am, like जो area you have colored with blue, you have, ma'am, we have to leave empty space there.
Why? Here you are saying
Yes, ma'am.
no empty space. Brown, orange and red you can load. No empty space. Okay? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to color blue till here only, right? Where I made the line.
No. Blue will be till the wooden this, not on the top. You have done it up to the vanishing point. No. Where the wooden ply is ending, up to there is the blue color.
Ma'am, there only I've done, not the vanishing point.
No, you have done here where the wooden log is ending. My this. See, this is the this bridge where it is ending. There up to there you make the blue color. If it is there only, then it's okay, no problem.
Okay.
Ray, Khushi, yes, Sharanya. Oh, are you able to load it properly?
Ma'am?
Yes. Rushan? Yes, very good, Rushan. Yes. What about Nandini? Vedika B? Where is Vedika Reddy? Sanskriti? Are you able to load it? I want a reply from everyone.
Here only, ma'am.
Okay. Are you able to load it?
Yes, ma'am, but I'm not understanding the background though. So I'm still doing it. Should I do it light blue, ma'am?
Yes, you can. In a sleeping direction, you are going to load. Yes, what about Kushi? Are you able to load it? Show me. Ray, show me. Sharanya. Very good, Sharanya. Very nice. Go slowly. No problem. Yes, Kushi, Ray, show me how much you have done. That much you can show me. It's not that you will have to complete it. I just want to see how you have loaded.
Ma'am, can you see? I'm just doing the other
Yes, it is okay. Part. No problem.
Which blue you have used?
Ma'am.
It is blue, plain, cobalt blue it is.
Not too bad blue you.
Yes. Kushi, very good. Yes. Okay. Ray, see, one
a bit of fixative with this?
Huh? I didn't get you.
Can you use a bit of fixative with this?
No, not required. Fixative.
Ma'am,
Why
can you see
fixative
mine?
is required?
Ma'am, can you see
Yes,
mine?
1 second, 1 second. Ray, when you're loading this color here now between the logs, that's why I'm asking for everyone. Everyone just see, when I was loading the color between the logs, it was sleeping wise only. Don't load it standing. You have, everyone just loaded it standing wise. No, give the direction, same direction. The water is flowing in horizontal way, so the same direction. So somebody asked me that whether, yes, I run my brush on the logs also. I didn't touch the logs, just moved my brush over the logs and then shifted it this side. Shivani, very good, but you have loaded dark shade.
Ma'am,
For the
can you
blue.
just see?
Ma'am, I'll put white.
Okay. Afterwards with pencil. Right now, don't touch anything.
Okay,
Whatever
ma'am.
everyone has loaded, it's okay, no problem.
Okay.
With the pencil color, lift everything. Yes,
Okay.
very good, Sanskriti. No problem. I just want to see everyone's artwork. Why? Whatever color you're loading, leave it like that only. Then use the pencil colors to leave each and every. That's why I said load very light shade whenever you're loading on the paper. This watercolor, very light shade. Pencil, you can make it dark with the help of pencil. Clear? Show me. Who has not shown? Krishang, show me. Krishang, show me. Nandini, show me. Yes. Oh, very good. Don't load dark shade of blue. Go with a light shade.
I was drawing this.
Okay, do it. Krishang. Very good, Iraira. Yes, Nandini, can you show me? Vedika, Reddy, show me. Yes, Vedika B. Very good, Vedika. Yes. Very good, Nandini. Got it. Yes, I'll see. Show.
Ma'am, can you review mine with the Reddy?
1 second. Yes. Grant, it is right, but now between the logs, how you are going to load it? You have left that part like that only. Yes, Grant.
What's ma'am?
Between the logs, you have not loaded the blue color. You
Oh.
have left it like that only.
Oh, okay.
Just load it. Yes, Vedika Reddy, show me. Jivansh, very good, Jivansh. Perfect. Load the blue color.
We used to color the logs.
Standing wise. Yes, Vedika Reddy.
Brown.
Dark brown. If you don't have any brown, load it any brown. Yes, very good, Vedika. Vedika, one thing is there. See, this will be dark. As I said, this log here, it is dark. Water will be dark here. This side, you can make it light. Okay? Yes, Kushi, very good. The water which is near to us. This is near what? Near I'm saying the where we are standing. This is far away, vanishing point. This will be dark, and this will go on reducing. The color will go on reducing. Yes. Who's there? Who has not shown?
Ma'am,
Yes.
is this fine?
Yes, it is fine.
Ma'am, the upper line, can I just cover it with acrylic white paint later?
Yes, you can. Done. Should we start now? Okay.
अरे यार, देख क्या? Ma'am, can I give us 5 minutes more?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have to leave at 6 o'clock.
Yes, okay. I am going to load the whole background color. You load it accordingly. Okay? Done? Should we start? If you want, you can clean your water. You can change the water.
Ma'am, can I go change my water?
Yes, yes. Fast. We'll start in 1 minute. Huh? Okay, should we start? Always keep 2 bowls of water. One will be completely clean with in that one brush which you are not going to use it. In other, you can take only one brush. 2 brushes enough. You can change it, and one dirty cloth. So white color water you are only going to use whenever you want to give water in your colors. If you want to mix the water that time, and other one will be for cleaning your brush. Okay, should we start now? Just see where the horizon line is there. It is having an orange shade here, and the land is below that horizon line. That is this part. This 2 points, that's why I made this 2 points, so that you will be able, I have not erased that points. So now you can erase it right now, this 2 points, but just with the help of, first we are going to take the orange shade. I can see near the horizon line, there is a orange shade here. Whole orange is there. So with the help of your water here, all what you are going to load it is watery color, but
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, in my printout I can see also some yellow is mixed with it.
afterwards.
Yes.
Right now I'm just giving
What
you
shade are you using?
orange.
Ma'am,
A
what?
plain orange.
Ma'am,
It is
wait.
not dark. This one.
Ma'am, at what place?
Here. Where the horizon.
Ma'am, I don't understand where in my drawing.
Where you have made a line, just an imaginary line where the land and the sky is there. It was here, and then we made it like this. No, the blue is only up to the here. Now here it is orange and all that.
Ma'am, I colored blue till there.
Okay, leave it like that only. Now on top of that,
Ma'am.
just load the, yes.
Ma'am, we didn't make the sun.
Whatever is there.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we didn't make the sun.
Okay, we'll make it. We'll
Ma'am.
leave that much white. Yes.
I only have this dark shade of orange.
Take a watery one and just load it. I'm loading this, but I'm taking only the watery shade.
And ma'am, since you're coloring orange over there, is it fine if I just cover blue till here?
Where? No, now I'm going to load yellow here and dark orange this side. Then on top of that, green is there.
So ma'am,
And
can I
also-
just load the blue till here then? Is it
Where?
fine if I do it till vanishing point?
No vanishing point. You have 1 second. Just hold on. You can just wait. Now at this point, 1 minute. Just hold on. I can see the yellow shade. I have loaded the yellow shade. This is the yellow shade. Then is the orange shade. I can see here. Yellow, orange. Above this is orange here.
Yes ma'am, so I was saying that since you're doing orange over there, can
Yeah.
I just cover that blue line which you told me not to put till there?
No, because it is not blue. The red, the shade is there, orange and this. So if you go up to there blue, how you will give the orange shade? Can you see the reference picture?
Ma'am, okay, so ma'am, what should I do because I have that blue line?
Now, just leave it like that only. Yes. Green
No, no.
color here.
So should I color orange over the blue
Yes.
line?
Yes.
Check mine.
1 second. Just hold on. Yeah, show me. Okay, Jivansh, you have not loaded the color between the logs, na? Blue color?
I have, but it is a little light.
Okay, no problem. Just load.
Ma'am, which shade of green have you loaded?
It's a deep green. No, not deep green. Sorry, leaf green in this.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes. Okay. Now here the circle is there, na?
Excuse
One
me,
second.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm not having leaf greens. I'm
Huh?
having radiant hue and sap green. So which should I use?
Which you first? Which one you said?
Ma'am, first is Viridian hue and then second one is sap
No,
green.
not sap green. Use the other one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I made a sun with the help of yellow color in between. I am going to leave that part white. Now for the sky, I'm going to load the color in a circular way. Okay. So first I can see the Irushan go on or this mute. I can see the yellow surrounding the sun. Just see. I've loaded inside the board also that I'll color it afterwards with the help of black pencil or okay. And then surrounding that is my orange. Orange and yellow shade. I'm just loaded.
Ma'am, what should I color in the trees part?
Green color.
Okay. Whole, fully.
Yes, fully. Afterwards with the pencil we'll give the shape.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
हो गया तेरा कुछ कितनी रखी है
Orange and yellow shade.
Ma'am, which color have you used after blue?
Orange and yellow. Only two colors I've used.
And which green?
It's a leaf green.
Okay. Ma'am, can I use emerald green?
pencil load with the dark green. And now the light shade of blue. Same blue what I have loaded here, but extra water I've used and loaded in this area. Now, I want to give a homework during the weekend. So
Ma'am.
once you have done, just yeah.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, I have another class, so I have to go.
1 minute, just 1 minute. Now, everyone, with your first, that is with your brown pencil, you are just going to make the outline for the log, standing wise. And with your orange pencil, you are just going, I'll show you here. With your orange pencil, just now I'll show with the black, I'll erase it afterwards. You go, just take your scale and give an outline and merge that outline with the base. Give an outline to the logs. So this much is the homework for the next class, okay? For those who are there, I'll just show. Grant, you got it, what to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can leave.
Ma'am, what was the homework again?
1 second, just a minute. I'll get my pencil and then I'll show. 1 minute, hold on.
Ma'am, can you repeat the homework once?
Yes, I'm repeating. 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
With the help of 1 second. Yes, what happened?
and there's a problem. Actually, I forgot to leave some space here. What should I do?
Where?
Ma'am, below the trees for the orange part. A little bit of it.
Now leave it like that only. You
Okay.
can't do anything. Leave it out like that. We'll see afterwards. Okay? Yeah. Take your pointed pencil. Just see, I'll show. And just give a outline. Very nice outline.
I'm with burnt cyan.
No, this is dark brown.
ma'am, what is the
Excuse me, ma'am, I don't have dark brown. Ma'am,
You can give. Yes. You don't have dark brown, go do with the brown. No problem.
Ma'am,
This
what
is standing wise. Okay? Give a very nice outline. A sharp pencil, pointed pencil. Only for the near this. The logs which you have done completed. The far away, just leave it like that.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes. And then for the wooden bridge, give the edge. It should be very sharp. Slowly.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes.
Can you see?
Yes, Vedika. Very good, Vedika. Vedika B. Yes. Iraira.
Ma'am, I sent you in the group. Can I leave?
Show me yours and then leave. Yes,
Ma'am,
Iraira.
Daddy said if I bring it up, it's gonna spread, ma'am.
No, but then change the camera. This na. I want to see what you have done in class.
Mom.
Okay, no problem. Keep it up. Yeah, you can leave.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah.
Mom, can you see?
Yes, 1 minute. Ira, that's what I'm saying. It is here. I can see the lines.